We'll guide you through how to make a game pass in Roblox. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. With a game pass, you can go and use it in a game like Please Donate, and you can go and sell it and get Robux. Come to the top of Roblox and go and click on Create. If you're brought to a different page, just go and type in your address bar, create.roblox.com. Come over to the left and you can go and click on Creations. By default, everybody is going to have a creation. Go and click on it. You then need to come over to the left and you can go and scroll down into the section Monetization. You can go and click on Passes. In Passes, you may go and see I've got some here. You probably won't have any though. What you need to do is go and click on Create a Pass. So you've gone and got the option upload an image. You don't have to though, but you do need to go and give it a name, add a description if you wish, but once again, you don't have to. And then you can go and click on Create Pass. So that's it, you've now gone and made it. However, if you want it to go and show up in games like Please Donate and for people to buy it, go and click on it again, and you need to go over to the left and click on Sales. Switch on Item for Sale, and you need to go and type in a price. Remember, you retain 70% of the Robux, so I'll go and get 10 if I get a sale. You can click Save Changes, and that's it. You've now gone and listed it. Hover your cursor over it and click on the three dots in the top right and click on Open a New Tab, and there it is.